Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So in today's video guys, I am going to be breaking down the trading plan that you need to become profitable in the next 2 to 3 weeks, right? So guys, in my last video I explained to you guys that whenever you're looking for a reversal guys, you always have to watch out for this specific candlestick patterns, right? So in my ebook guys, I literally break down the candlestick patterns that you need, right, for you to know when a reversal is about to happen. So in this case here guys, I was able to literally catch this whole move from right here and then place my stop loss right there. And as you can see guys, my full TP was literally here. As you can see, TP hit, and guys, I'm currently in another entry trade right here. And the reason why I'm in this trade guys is because I'm literally following my plan, right? So in my plan guys, I always told you guys, whenever you're looking for a reversal, you need to see any of these candlestick patterns here. Now in this specific trade, right, I was in this trade here from here, and I took my sell to this area here, and then price now gave me this shooting star entry, right? So this was part of my plan, right? So this was like a reversal signal. And in my reversal signals, I always say whenever you see things like this is your chance to take that reversal trade. So in this case here guys, this first trade, I actually pulled out of this first trade here and took a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But on my second trade, I actually took another buy here, and as you can see, price almost hit my stop loss. I actually pulled out early. Why? Because in my trading plan, I specifically say, right, note that the reversal phase becomes invalid when you see the same type of entries appear in the continuation phase, or at least one bullish candlestick pattern appear in an area of interest. So in this case, if price is buying, we look for one bullish candlestick pattern. If price is selling, we look for one bearish candlestick pattern. So in this case here, price gave us a really huge candle, momentum candle here, indicating price wants to buy. But in the next candle, price gave the first bearish, candlestick pattern for sells in an area of interest. So we took that sell, we closed out of our buy trade, and then took the sell, and then we rode the move down from here all the way down here, and then we now pulled out and then took another trade here, and then literally rode this trade from down all the way down here, literally guys. So guys, at the end of the day guys, this is the trading plan that you need to be able to literally become profitable guys. Like I said, this trading plan is literally broken down. I literally use this plan every single day guys. I look at this every single day, and this plan basically shows you exactly how to look at the market, when to know a reversal is about to happen, right, and things like that. And also guys, it gives you guys step by step, right, of what you need to do. So for example, right, this specific trading plan literally gives you step by step of what you need to do when you open your charts, right? So the first step is load your charts. Second step is start with the daily time frame. You zoom out, to make sure you look at the whole view of the chart. So in this case here, I only use 2 time frames, the daily and the 1 hour time frame. You should know this by now, right? So the next step is to now mark your area of interest. So in this case here, this is my area of interest in the daily time frame. This first area of interest, the second area of interest, or the third area of interest. You could also call this key levels too if you want to call it key levels, right? So it really depends on how you want to interpret it, but at the end of the day, you have to understand the concept, right? And then once you mark your key levels guys, you now know what the trend is, and then keep that in mind. So in this case here, the trend currently here is sells. Why? Because price created a low here, and then the low up, or the high that price needs to break for the trend to change from sells to buys is now this lower, this high right here. So obviously, as you can see, price is currently like in that like correction phase or something like that. Like it's currently like about to sell, right? So price finished correcting itself and now it's about to sell again, right? So that's basically what we do. And then as you can see, the next step is now to go to the 1 hour time frame to then now mark your area of interest. So in this case, we go to the 1 hour time frame, boom. And then for area of interest is very simple. I'm going to delete all of this so you can literally see how I mark this. It's really simple guys. Like, you don't have to complicate things when it comes to marking up your area of interest guys. You have to understand that it boils down to the demarcation between buyers and sellers. So in this case here, you can see that this is my first area of interest here. Why? Because you can clearly see that above this level, price was literally buying, right? So if I do this like this, boom, so you can see, right, above this level price was buying, below this level price was selling. It sold here, it sold here, and then you guys can see it sold here. And then another area of interest I see is now this area of interest here, boom, like this. So something like this. Boom. Right, so as you can see, above this level, price is buying, below it, price is selling. And then also another area of interest I see is now this area of interest here. Boom. Right, and then somewhere in the middle here, so somewhere like in the middle here. Boom, like that. Right, as you can see, price is currently reacting off of this area. Now in this particular case here, guys, price came and gave two back-to-back shooting star candles, and I told you guys, when it comes to reversals, right, you need to see two back-to-back shooting star candles. Yes, but it has to be in an area of interest, right? So like I said, the reversal has to be in an area of interest. So in this case here, price did give two back-to-back candles, but it wasn't in an area of interest that we're interested in. If not, you know, we would have taken this buy trade. But then this particular candle again, same thing. This is like a bullish engulfing candle, right? But if you notice, guys, if you really zoom in, it has a wick, right? Like I told you guys, whenever you're looking for a reversal pattern, right, especially with bullish engulfing or engulfing candles, that candle must not have a wick. In this case here, price has a small wick, right? You might even get confused and say, oh yeah, price is actually, you know, buying because it has, you know, no wicks. Maybe you're blind and you can't really see, but guys, if you zoom in, you can clearly see that price has a wick. So ignore this as a reversal entry and wait for price to continue going to the downside. So you see how, like, I'm not really guessing here. I'm not like confused or indecisive. I'm literally following a trading plan, and guys, this trading plan will literally make you profitable in the next 2 weeks, because guys, like I said, I've been trading for 4 years, guys, and this is literally 4 years worth of information right now, right? So I want you guys to click the link at the bottom of this video. Take, you know what I mean, take this ebook, guys, for free, man. Just put in your name and email, bro. Really that simple, guys. And you know, study this ebook. As you can see, we have, you know, Alfred currently studying this ebook. He's currently on my reversal phase, right? So you have to study this, bro. Study this, because these candlestick patterns are very important. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in a different video.